Introducing the Magento 2 Xtremo Responsive Theme, perfect for all types of online stores. Display eye-catching banner sliders, showcase popular categories, and enjoy full responsiveness and mega menus. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Let's get started. This is our Magento 2 dashboard. After that, go to Stores, then Configurations. Inside Configuration, as you can see, Xtremo configurations are visible. Click on it. As you can see here, different types of settings for this module are visible to the admin. The first is Xtremo theme settings, followed by header settings, footer settings, homepage settings, and seller's public page settings. First, go to Xtremo theme settings. Here, you will see an option named Enable Webkul Xtremo Theme. The admin can enable or disable this option by selecting Yes or No. I am selecting Yes to enable it. After that, go to Header Settings. The first option is phone number. The admin can enter different types of phone numbers. These phone numbers will be displayed in the header section. After that, select a CMS page. The admin can select different types of CMS pages. These CMS page links will be displayed in the header section. I am selecting this option. After that, enable the display of category dropdown with the search bar. The admin can choose to enable or disable the dropdown with the search bar by selecting Yes or No. For now, I am selecting No. If No is selected, the additional options will not be shown. When Yes is selected, the Select Categories for Top Search option becomes visible. You can select different types of categories for the drop-down search bar. I am selecting some categories. Next is Footer Settings. In the footer settings, there are social media links like Twitter, Google+, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. The admin can change the Twitter link from here, but for now I am not changing it. I'm using the default. After that, there are payment settings. Different types of payments are available, such as, do you accept payments from PayPal? Do you accept payments from Visa cards like Discover or MasterCard? The admin can enable or disable these by selecting Yes or No. I am selecting Yes to enable them. Next is Homepage Settings. Click on it. Here you will see an option called Category Placeholder Image. The admin can add a placeholder image for the categories by clicking on the Choose Files button, then selecting the image you want to add and clicking Open. Your image will be uploaded successfully. Only the following file types are allowed: JPG, JPEG, GIF, and PNG. The admin can also delete this image by clicking on the checkbox. And the last one is Seller's Public Page Settings. Here, you'll find an option named Display Xtremo Seller's Public Page Layout. The admin can select Yes or No to enable the seller public page layout. If No is selected, the default Marketplace seller's public page layout will be displayed. Once the configuration part is done, click on Save Config to save the configurations. Now the configurations are saved. Next, go to Content, then Configurations. Under Global, select the Xtremo theme and click Edit. In Applied Themes, I have already selected the Xtremo theme. Now click on Save Configuration. The configuration has been saved successfully. Now let's move to the front end. In the front end, under the header section, the Xtremo logo is visible here. In the search bar, all the drop-down categories are displayed. The CMS page links are also visible here, such as Homepage, Enable Cookies, Privacy, and other functions. The top categories are also shown here. There are support links and a front-end image banner. As you can see, the Categories section is showing in the left corner. Click on it and you'll see that many categories are visible. Next, in the Footer section, the social media links are visible along with their logos, such as Twitter, Google+, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. In the Payment section, payment options like PayPal and Visa are also displayed. Now I will show you how you can add different banners here. For this, let's move to the admin end. Go to Xtremo, then go to Manage Category Banner. In the Manage Category Banner Image section, the admin can create different types of image banners for different categories. I have already created one. Now I will show you how to create a new one. Click on the Add Image for Banner button. Here you can see the image title field. Admin can give a title to the image. After that, the admin has to choose an image for the banner by clicking on Choose File. I am selecting this image for the banner. Next, the admin needs to choose the store view, such as All Store View, Main, or Default. I am selecting All Store View for visibility. After that, under Categories, the admin must select the category for which this banner will be visible. I am selecting Gear for this banner. Next is the status. The admin can enable or disable this banner by toggling the option. I am enabling it. Finally, click on Save Image to save the banner. Now the image has been saved successfully, and the banner is created. It is showing here as the Gear category banner, just like this. After that, I will show you how the banner looks on the front end. Let's move to the front end, then go to Categories, and then Gear. Now the banner is visible here. Now let's go back to the admin end. Go to Catalog, then Products. Here you can open any product and click on Edit. In the product settings, there are features like Is Featured, Is on Sale, Is Tailored Product, Is in the Top Rated Product. I have already enabled them. Then click on Save, and the product is saved successfully. Now I'll show you how these features appear on the front end, like Is Featured, Is on Sale, Is Tailored Product, and Is in the Top Rated Product. For this, go to the front end. Now the featured product is showing here like the Joust duffel bag, which we edited to include discount and sale options. It appears under the Tailored for You and Top Rated Product sections. Now let's move back to the admin panel again to save the popular category. Go to Catalog, then Categories. After that, open any category. For now, I'm clicking on Gear. Now the Is Popular Category option is visible here. The admin has to enable it to show this category under Popular Category by toggling this button to enable it. After that, go to Content. In the Content section, there is a Popular Category Image option where the admin can upload an image for the popular category by clicking on the Upload button. Then select any image and click Open. You can also delete the image by clicking on the Delete button. For now, I am using the default image. After that, click on the Save button. Now I will show you the popular category on the front end. For this, go to the front end and refresh the page. Then scroll down. Here, the Shop from Popular Category section is visible. Now the Gear category is showing here, which I edited as a popular category. After that, I will show you the List View and Product View. For this, go to Top Categories, then Men. Click on this to switch to Grid View, and click on this to switch to List View. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.